This is what I have to deal with. Check this out. How am I gonna sit? What is going on, guys? Welcome to Wrenchettes. We're on the work on this beautiful G35. My life as well. Today we're gonna work on the G35 finally, although it's kind of cold, but I got some goodies from the junkyards. See, when I bought this car, this seat was messed up from the beginning. It doesn't want to go forward or backwards. After 2 years of searching in the junkyard, I finally found a good seat. Now let me show you the condition that the seat is in currently right now. Look at this. It just stays there. Look at that. I mean, I could tilt it and up and down and stuff like that, but this thing don't want to go nowhere. In order to change this seat, you're gonna have to take out these 4 bolts in each corner. In order to change this seat and the passenger seat, you're gonna have to take these 4 bolts out. It's gonna be a size 14 right here. There's one there, and you're gonna go in the back here, one there, and then one there. Now, if you have the same problem as me, when you go like in a junkyard, you're gonna have to move the seat back and forth to take it out. Now, if you can't do that, like me, like I have a problem with this, I can really move forward and back. You're gonna have to get a set like this to get under it and get the 14. I also got a bumper in the junkyard. Look at this bumper. It's not perfect by all means, but it's in way better condition than this one right here. I mean, you can see this thing got hammered in the New York City parking space. Look at this. Look at this. I mean, this thing got hammered over and over by people parking. Like, look at this. This is insane. And this is all was done after I bought it. It had like a little bit of damage, but most of this damage was done here. I mean, look at that, bro. So I'm gonna try to change the seat, the driver's side seat, and the rear bumper if I can today, and if the bolts don't keep breaking, because I was amazed that I took that bumper out. None of the bolts broke, and that G was immaculate inside. Like not even like the carpet had one stain on it. I mean, I was literally sad to see at the junkyard because the previous owner really took care of that thing. Like, really was immaculate. The very first thing you should do when working on anything electronic, and this seat is electronic and has an airbag, is remember to take off the battery. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out the negative terminal on the battery and then start working on the seats. On the side right there, and then the yellow one is here. You slide that thing back out and it comes out. So those are the 3, and then you have this a zip tie right here. I hold the harness together. So these are the 3 connectors: the big one, the yellow one, and the small one, and that's about it. Have the rip, but the previous owner patched it up real nice in here too. So as long as it looks like that, it's just good enough for me. Now let's see if I find some goodies in there. Let's see what I find, because I tried to clean it before, but I couldn't. So I got some. This thing, I lost it. Now I don't know where it is. So I got some receipts. Okay, that was me because it looks pretty new. Got some old stuff. Got some, got some stuff under there. Got some smelling stuff. A couple of pennies and quarters. Ooh, good luck charms. I heard like pennies, if you found pennies, it's a sign of good luck charm. And if you find a lot of dimes, it's a sign of bad luck. So I got more pennies than dimes, so that's good. It's a good balance. There you go, more blessing. And I'm gonna clean this up before I put the seat back on. So before I put that seat in the car, I'm gonna try to disinfect it with a good old Lysol. I know it's not that great for the leather, but I need it to be sanitized before I put it in there. And then I'm gonna sanitize the entire car because I put the bumper in there and then it's really, really dirty inside there. It is so cold that the spray actually froze. Look at that. Like everything is frozen. Look. Oh man. And now I have a functioning seat that has this cover and is in good condition. So that is it. This is how you change your driver's seat, and it's the same procedure for the passenger seat. And by the way, this OEM seat cost me 45 bucks at the junkyard. So the biggest problem with dealing with this car is that something that takes half an hour takes like 3 hours because of these rusted bolts. Now I broke two on this side. These two sides here just didn't want to come out. Like they're still there. It was just run because like the thing that holds in the back is just spinning, so it doesn't have any traction, which is great. But I managed to break it off. So here's the old bumper right here. I mean, it's not even that bad, but this is just disgusting. Look at that. Look at that. Jesus Christ. Look at that. Too much. Then this new bumper here even has the harness for the light, which I wanted to spray down so it doesn't rust, especially right here. But I don't have any primer, so I will do that in another day. I'll just take it out by these two bolts right here. Take it out and reinforce it. This is how my car is looking. So you can see I have to do some major rust repairs here. I wish I had the primer so I could clean it up good. But yeah, this is how it is. Got some rust. But this will be all taken care of when I do the Vader build. So you can see it's supposed to be like paint matched, but I see it has like a little bit of difference there. So after it's done, you should have something like this in your car. You can see this bumper is really, really better in condition. It has some few scratches here, here. But compared to the other one, this is like brand new. Now I thought it was a perfect color match, but it's not. Mine is like a little bit lighter for some reason. Boy, it is cold, man, especially at the end there. Whew. My hands were kind of freezing. But I gotta do what I gotta do, you know what I'm saying? So now I'm gonna go and try to find a dump site for this thing. One of those green thingies. And after that, I'm gonna give it a little car wash. And then I will be done for this video. But today we got this brand new seat, which is really comfortable. And I could perfectly sit straight. So I found a dump site. I found a dumpster. I found it at AutoZone. Thankfully, they throw away a lot of parts and old stuff there, and they allow them to do it. So I throw it there. I don't like, changing stuff and then leave it like a mess in the floor. So I always try to be clean and respect my environment, although a lot of people around me don't. I'm not gonna be part of the problem. I'm gonna be part of the solution. Anyway, I'm on my way to do a little bit of wash, and then after that I'm gonna take some pictures and then upload it to Instagram. So now let me show you the final look of the Jeep.